Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can mark messages you send to your contacts as important on Microsoft Teams. So let us get started. So head over to Microsoft Teams and log into your account by clicking into sign in the top right corner, for example, and use your Microsoft account for that. And once inside your Microsoft Teams, guys, navigate to chats here in the left panel and select the chat or the contact you'd like to have a chat with. So let me go for a completely new one by clicking into new chat here. And after that, you may simply start the chat and, for instance, send a message here. Now, if you'd like to send a message and make it an important one, so let me type in just, I don't know, ABC123 text, test text or something like that. So what you want to do is simply click into the delivery options here. Just let me find it, that plus button. And from here, select set delivery options and switch from standard to important, and that will make the message or market the message as important with exclamation mark and important label like this. For example, if it is a relevant or very important or urgent message, guys. So that's it. Press enter here or click into this button to send the message, and that's basically it. Of course, don't forget to enter the recipient's username here so that he or she may receive the message. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.